Hi friends, it's Miss Traver. Today we're going to do a read aloud on Raz Kids instead of Epic. I thought we'd try something new. And since we had a question of the day the other day, which was what do you want to be when you grow up, I thought this book would be fitting. So this story is called I'd Like to Be, written by Arturo Banel. I'd like to be. So these are some words to know that we're going to read in the story. Discover, fantasy, galaxies, possibilities, stew, and vet. Let's see if we can figure out what those words mean as we read. I'd like to be a cook and make a dish with meats and sweets and veggies and fish. I'd learn to cook, not by the book, but by testing, tasting, and taking a look. Ooh, what kind of job would that be? Maybe a chef? See my kitchen? Come and pitch in. My stew's alive with corn and chives. Ooh, that looks yummy. So stew is the type of food. I'd like to be a maker of video games full of dragons and wizards with crazy names. The game I'd write would feature knights who run and jump and get in fights. Oh my goodness gracious. That looks pretty cool though. Look at their computers. Making some video games. This game is a fun fantasy. I'd like it if you played with me. So fantasy means make-believe. It's a make-believe game. I'd like to gaze into the sky and take notes on what's passing by. I'd search for planets near and far. I'd help to name each brand new star. Wouldn't that be cool to get to name the stars? I would help discover things from galaxies to Saturn's rings. So there's Saturn, which is a planet in our galaxy, our solar system, which has rings around it. That's why it said to Saturn's rings. Very cool. I'd like to be a vet who helps sick cats and barking dogs and herding bats. People would bring their pets to me. I would help them stay healthy. Oh, that'd be a great job. Look at the bunny and the doggy. Oh, look at her cast. Oh, I'd heal their cuts and fix their legs and help with birds who lay bad eggs. Oh, I love the pink cast. I think that's what I would get if I had a cast. I'd like to be an artist for comic books. I'd draw superheroes and pirates' hooks and evil people who destroy man or woman, girl or boy. Whoa. I wish I could draw comics like that. That's pretty cool. Their plots won't make it off the ground, not with Superboy around. Wow, it's pretty cool, Superboy. I'd like to fix cool cars in the auto shop. I'd get them going when they stop. I'd do repairs and make them run. That is my idea of fun. Very nice. I get their engines when they stall. Getting greasy is a ball. I mean greasy because of all the oils and stuff that's in the car when they're fixing them. Life has endless possibilities. What in the world would you like to be? So possibilities means options. There's so many jobs that you could have in the world. So many. And you guys have plenty of time to decide it. And then here's the words, the glossary. So the words that we read are vocabulary words from the beginning. Discover, define for the first time. Fantasy, a story which the imagination makes the impossible seem possible. So make believe. Galaxies, large groups of stars, planets, gases, and dust. Possibilities, things that may happen. Stew, a dish usually made of meat and vegetables cooked slowly in liquid. And vet, it's a short form of the word veterinarian, a person who treats sick or injured animals. I hope you guys enjoyed this story, And you guys can log on to your Raz Kids through Clever and read this story or find some other ones to read. I'll see you. Have a great day.